Mercury retrograde is part of our lives, it's part of our cycles, or it has its own cycle. These are crystals that can help you manage, handle, protect yourself, and ease the time that Mercury goes retrograde and all kinds of things just seem to go kaflooey. Especially techie stuff. Now, there is a lot of consensus about don't start anything new in Mercury retrograde. And I'm not about to tell you the exact opposite. Here's my understanding of not starting something brand new in Mercury retrograde. If you have a project that you have been working on or had set aside, during a time when you needed more mental bandwidth, emotional energy to really tune in to what was going on in your life and kind of put it on the back burner for a while so that it could really fully mature. I'm just going to put that little guy down. And that to me is not starting something brand new in Mercury retrograde. Now, if you have a project that you're thought of or thinking about doing and it's brand new, okay? Absolutely brand new idea or opportunity to you that you have not considered before. You have not done any research, thinking, note-taking, planning on. That I would not start brand new in Mercury retrograde. Let's introduce you to these beautiful crystals. This is a cathedral. It is called water clear. Look at that. How clear this is. The point, its natural shaped point, is what makes it different in its termination than, see the difference? That is clear quartz. So this is cathedral, incredibly powerful and empowering, and helps to dissipate Mercury retrograde energies. This is garnet. It's pink garnet, Almandine pink garnet. There are actually, one, two, three, 4 kinds of garnet that we have to share with you. Garnet is very powerful for Mercury retrograde energies. This is a garnet sphere. There we go, better view of it. Red for grounding. This is garnet, very raw in Fuchsite. Gotta say that carefully. And then these little red spots, this is garnet, ruby, Spinel. The garnet is the redder parts. We also have emerald in schist, S-C-H-I-S-T. Beautiful piece of emerald in the schist, which is its matrix. And then yellow fluorite. Look at the beautiful colors. This would help you with managing your energies, your solar plexus empowerment. And then our standby are, these beautiful clear quartz crystals. You can't have too many clear quartz, in my humble opinion. And then we have smoky. I love smoky quartz. Smoky quartz. I love natural smoky quartz. The smoky quartz that is heat treated, beautiful soul, has no energy left in it. It is so opaque that you can't see anything through it. There's a difference between natural smoky that is super dark, but it still has life in it, and then the real black-brown color of smoky quartz that's been heat treated. Okay, so let's pair a couple of these beauties. Because this is quartz, Himalayan quartz, Cathedral Quartz, it's also clear, so it magnifies the energies of anything else. So let's say you have one of these, you can even do that. You can, okay, let's pair it with, that one doesn't really want to be paired with Cathedral. How about Garnet in Fuchsite? Here's a really pretty pairing. All right, you want to really take it up a notch or a couple notches energetically. How about Emerald in Schist with your Himalayan Cathedral Quartz? Look at that. Abundance, you could even say this one would be good for manifestation because you've got the emerald green, and emerald is one of the, it's a precious stone. And then very rare. It can be found, but it's not so easily found. Himalayan quartz, Himalayan Cathedral Quartz. All right, let's go a different direction. How about almond pink with clear quartz? And this one could be paired that way. And yes, the Almandine pink does shed a little bit, so I would, if I were you, just handle it with care. And what I do with all these little pieces, I put them in my wealth bowls, or I put them in a planter. All right, so you have that. You just want a little bit of extra, use a quartz point. Let's pair, how about these two plus this guy? So let's move these out of the background a little bit. So you've got Garnet and Fuchsite, Garnet Ruby Spinel, and a cute little clear quartz cluster. You want to amp it up, use a larger clear quartz cluster. Okay, here's a powerful duo, trio, and even like so. How about that? So you've got Smoky, yellow fluorite, clear quartz, and a garnet sphere. Powerful, powerful, powerful. All right. Why do you want to protect yourself? How about protecting your techie stuff? So you can put any of these near your laptop, your favorite device, and take it from there. So I'll be putting the list of these crystals, I'll go over them one more time for you down in the description. If you like this video, please tap the thumbs up. Love to have you join our online community by hitting the subscribe button. So Smoky Quartz, Emerald and Schist, clear quartz, clear quartz, clear quartz, Garnet Ruby Spinel, yellow fluorite, Garnet in Fuchsite, Cathedral Quartz, Almandine pink, Garnet. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul, and thank you so much for being here.